Shiba Inu era to end, BITGERT to replace Shiba Inu hype. Are you planning to invest in Shiba Inu? If yes, then please wait. Do not invest before watching this video. You are at the right place, and we might save your investment before anything goes wrong. So, welcome to Crypto Trends, where, in today's video, you will get to know about how BITGERT is going to replace Shiba Inu hype. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and share the video. What is the Shiba Inu coin? Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency meme token launched by an anonymous founder called Ryoshi. Like Dogecoin, whose crypto code is Doge, it's based on the Doge meme, which features a Shiba Inu dog. It even calls itself the Dogecoin Killer. The white paper, or referred to as wolf paper for Shiba Inu, describes it as a community-based cryptocurrency project. This essentially means that the decentralized Shiba Inu community, known as the Shiba Army, is in charge of the cryptocurrency and its development. This isn't exactly unique in the world of crypto. There are other cryptocurrencies run by decentralized communities, so even though Shiba Inu's white paper frames it as a revolutionary idea, it's no different from what other projects have already been doing. While Shiba Inu was first known as an alternative to Dogecoin, it has a key difference. Shiba Inu is built on the Ethereum blockchain, so it can run smart contracts. Through smart contracts, Shiba Inu can work with decentralized applications. Dogecoin doesn't have this capability, making it much more limited in terms of what it can do. Should you invest in Shiba Inu in 2022? Shiba Inu is an extremely high-risk investment that has most likely already peaked. Early buyers may have made serious money, but that success was primarily based on the hype and not any technical advantages. You're better off with more useful cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency stocks that have more long-term value. The problem is that for everything Shiba Inu does, there are competitors that do it better. Shiba Inu can be used as a currency, but since it's built on Ethereum, it often has slow processing times and high fees. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Solana, offer much faster, cheaper transactions. Shiba Swap is another use case for Shiba Inu, but it's in a crowded marketplace. There are already quite a few DEXs out there, and the market leaders, including Uniswap and PancakeSwap, are much larger than Shiba Swap. Meme coins and meme stocks sometimes catch fire, but their success rarely lasts long. The most likely scenario, Shiba Inu's best days are behind it. A brief history of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was created in August 2020 with an initial total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. The first big moment in Shiba Inu's history came in May 2021 when its founder sent half the supply to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. This was widely considered a publicity stunt to piggyback on the success of a more popular cryptocurrency. Ryoshi's cryptic explanation was that there is no greatness without a vulnerable point. Buterin ended up donating 10% of the tokens and burning or destroying the other 90%. Because of that, Shiba Inu currently has a circulating supply of about 549 trillion tokens. Shiba Inu launched its own decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, in July 2021. In November, it partnered with David Folk, previously Vice President of Technology at Activision, to develop a cryptocurrency gaming project. In terms of value, Shiba Inu started 2021 with a price of 0.000000000119. It hit a peak that year of 0.00008845. Comparing such small numbers is tricky, but an easier way to look at it is that the price had risen more than 74 million% in October 2021. It then suffered a major downturn, with the value dropping by more than 75%. BITGERT. BITGERT's fast-growing ecosystem and the disruptiveness of its products have enabled the project to outperform many projects, including Shiba Inu. The BITGERT BRC20 blockchain, zero gas fee, and 100K TPS features have made it the most disruptive chain. The BITGERT ecosystem includes a range of DeFi, Web3, and NFTs tools, making it very attractive to investors. Look at the BITGERT Roadmap V2. It has a range of products that the BITGERT team is building. The BITGERT Startup Studio program is also adding hundreds of projects to this ecosystem. But the recent BITGERT partnership with the Syntkex has made BITGERT more superior to Shiba Inu and many other projects. Syntkex. Syntex, a crypto project that is building an unlimited amount of products, has now partnered with BITGERT. The partnership enables Syntex to build unlimited products for the BITGERT ecosystem. The collaboration will grow the BITGERT ecosystem rapidly and help grow the number of products built by Syntex Lab. Therefore, it is a win-win partnership for both BITGERT and Syntex projects. In conclusion, BITGERT is growing into a gigantic blockchain ecosystem. With the speed that this ecosystem is growing, it has the potential to make BITGERT the next biggest cryptocurrency. A month after the launch of the BITGERT token, the team started launching products, with BITGERT Audits being the first product. In the next 60 days, one of the most powerful products, the Brise wallet, was launched, followed by the BITGERT swap. The team went ahead and listed on over 5+ Tier 2 exchanges in the first 120 days of launch. The biggest product BITGERT released recently was the BITGERT staking. The staking is still one of the biggest topics about BITGERT, with over $25 million worth of BITGERT staked. The staking's still ongoing. There are 3 more things that will happen soon. The first one is the project doxing. BITGERT project has been operating anonymously for all of this time. There have been issues with anonymous projects, even when they are doing well as BITGERT coin. The team announced that it is doxing the project to improve users' confidence. The second thing is the registration of a legal entity. Finally, the BITGERT project will be registered as a legal entitlement very soon. According to the team, the project is going to be registered in Cayman Islands as a legal entity. The team did not provide the exact date, but it has to be before the exchange launch, which should be at the next project. The third thing coming up soon is the launch of the exchange and the blockchain. BITGERT exchange and blockchain launch is the most anticipated development now. The successful launch of these 2 products will be a huge milestone for this project. The exchange is coming first in Q1 2022, followed by the blockchain at a later date. Users can buy BITGERT tokens at PancakeSwap and exchanges like MEXC Global, LBank, and Bitmart. The dark side of cryptocurrencies. The growing popularity and secrecy aspects of cryptocurrencies are starting to attract considerable attention around the world from all sorts of people. Criminals are attracted to the features that allow for money laundering and secrecy, while investors see opportunities for large gains to go unreported. Likewise, most governments and banks are starting to scream foul. While some countries have outright banned cryptocurrencies, others, including the US, are trying to regulate them. As talk of regulation and oversight became louder, prices of cryptocurrencies started to fall from their peak in early 2018. Major banks also joined the fray by starting to prohibit purchases of cryptocurrencies using their credit cards. However, Japan stands alone. They were the first to actually grant cyber currencies recognized status as a form of legal tender in mid-2017. Accordingly, popularity grew in the country, and their citizens represented 1/3 of all Bitcoin activity by the end of 2017. Lack of market regulations. Currently, there are no legit market regulations for trading cryptocurrencies. Even the governments are skeptical about the viability of Bitcoins. Therefore, no government-regulated financial institutions support the transaction of cryptocurrencies, e.g., encashing. Moreover, because of a lack of regulations, cryptocurrencies are extremely difficult to track, and that's why people often use it for dark trading. Thus, Bitcoins are prone to bring financial chaos if all transactions are beyond the control of regulators. Needless to say, we can see why the cryptocurrency is considered to be an emerging threat by law enforcement and security organizations. To illustrate, Europol, in its recent IOCTA, the Internet Organized Crime Threat Assessment, includes privacy-enhancing crypto wallets such as Wasabi and Samurai as a top threat, and states that privacy coins may present a considerable obstacle to law enforcement investigations. And in a late 2020 report on its cryptocurrency enforcement framework, the U.S. Department of Justice Cyber Digital Task Force addresses the emerging threats posed by rapidly developing cryptocurrencies that malicious cyber actors often use, and notes that an aggressive but well-informed approach toward abusive cryptocurrency activity should be taken. Guys, I hope you understand the comparison between these 2 cryptocurrencies now, and I leave the decision in your hands. So I think we're at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and it may be helpful in your crypto investment journey. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching!